Hello colleagues, welcome back to Friday 5 in 5. I'm just going to talk about one thing today, and that is subscribing to the new PowerSchool calendar. On the Firefly dashboard you can see I've removed the old one for ISAMS, and now you only see PowerSchool calendar on the front here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Outlook and I'm going to delete the old ISAMS calendar that I subscribed to some time ago. So here on my Outlook, you can see I've already subscribed to the new PowerSchool calendar. I'm just going to show you how to do that. But here I've got the old ISAMS one. So if you did subscribe to it, you must remove that from your Outlook. So I can go right click and then I can either hide it if I wanted to. Somewhere there's a button here saying hide calendar. I can't see it, or I can just delete it. So if I click on here, I'm going to delete calendar. I'm actually not going to delete it. I'm just going to keep it there just for reference, but I advise that you do delete that. Okay, now as you can see, I'm in the old version of Outlook. You can see here there's a button to switch on the new version. I'll show you how to subscribe to it in the new version as well afterwards, but first let's just go to the old version, and there is a link that I'm going to put in this email that I want you to copy. Don't double click the link, don't open the link, just copy the link itself. So here is the link. It's got this .ics on the end of it, so I'm just going to highlight that from my email, make sure I highlight all of it, and then copy the link. So click here, copy link. So that's sitting in the memory of the computer for me to be able to paste it a little bit later on. So back into Outlook, and when I'm in Outlook, you can see there is the ability, what I can do, I can right click on my calendars. Let's just switch off all of these because it's confusing. I can right click on my calendar, make sure your mouse is over my calendar, and then you can click add calendar from the internet. So again, mouse over my calendar and right click. And now, do you remember I copied that? So now I can paste that, make sure that it's got the .ics on the end of it, and I click OK. And what will happen then, that will start to copy over the over 1,000 events into the calendar, and it will look something like this: PowerSchool 2025-26 calendar. You can rename it. It may appear somewhere down here in terms of other calendars, and then you can drag it up so that when I switch it on, I can see an overlay of the different events across the whole school, and you can then use that for planning. So that's the old Outlook. It tends to take about, for some people it happens straight away, some people it takes a day. So just be patient, it should appear. Next is the new version of Outlook. So if I click onto here, I can check my time. I'm already at 3 minutes, so let's go a little bit faster, Brian. I'm going to go to the web version of Outlook, which is exactly the same actually as the new version of Outlook. It looks exactly the same. It's going to sign me in. I'm hoping that I don't have to put in a code. If I have to put in a code, that's going to take me some time. Yes, I knew it. It would ask me for a code, authentication code, but let's quickly do that. You shouldn't have this, 3920. The code changes all the time, so it doesn't matter that I've shared that with you. And when you get to the new version of Outlook, you can see here in my calendar, I have this option down here to add calendar. When I click on add calendar, I then get subscribe from the web, and that's where I paste in the ICS again. So I'm going to write here PowerSchool calendar 2025. I'm going to give it a color, and I'm going to add to my calendars. And because I haven't given it a name, and then click import, and it should appear in your calendar. You should wait again for some time for all of those events to appear. Okay, hopefully that was useful. Got a little bit of time left. In terms of where does that calendar appear, that calendar appears in different locations. Firefly dashboard is the first one, the first place to appear. In your Outlook, if you subscribe to it, in the primary super team, there's a link to it there. And also as well in PowerSchool itself, when we log into PowerSchool, there should be a link in PowerSchool. Hopefully if I Wait for PowerSchool to load up. On the left-hand side, whenever I take the register, every single day, it says here PowerSchool Calendar. Whew, I hope I made it in 5 minutes. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.